Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, it is sponsored by Reshine here. As you can see from the title, they sent me their gorgeous kinky curly unit in 200% density in 24 inches. So y'all know kinky curly is kinky, so it's pretty much a bit shorter than curly when it comes on to length. So this is how the 24-inch looks when it's pretty much like in a damp state. So this is the length that it's giving for 24 inches, and it's also a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So it's just apart from here to here, and I mean, I don't mind it. I love it, and the hair on the wig itself is just amazing. The curl pattern is gorgeous. Like, do y'all see this? I am in love, and I know you guys will love it too. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links in the description box will be there for you to do so. And without further ado, let's just jump into the baby hair portion, and then we'll get into detangling this gorgeous unit. I am going to do my install, and this is glueless, by the way, so it's gonna be able to come off whenever I'm ready for bed. But this is what it's giving right now, and the baby hairs aren't laid, so we're gonna just go ahead and do that and just complete the install all together. So I have a mirror down, so if you see me looking down, then you know what I'm looking at. And let's just get into it. Before I start the baby hairs though, I'm going to just go ahead and darken my part a bit, have it look more like my skin tone. So I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown foundation in my skin tone, and I'm going to just be using this brush. So I'm just rubbing it on my hand to warm up the foundation. Once I'm ready, I'm gonna just go in and open up my part a bit while defining it. So that's how I want it, that's how it's supposed to look, and we're gonna just jump right into these baby hairs. I'm using Got To Be Glue gel from the black tube, so it's going to be the clear gel and not the white one. And I'm gonna just swoop these baby hairs. Really easy and simple for me, that is. And if you don't know how to do your baby hairs, just follow along, or I have other videos that go in depth. But right now I'm just swooping it to the side that I see fit, and we're giving to the left because this is my left hand. Oh my god, y'all, so my nails are so ghetto. Like, don't even look at it, don't even say anything, because it's just the ghetto for me. Like, I really tried to take like my nails off, and I was trying to take off like one hand. I was trying to take off both hands, and I could have sworn I had acetone at my house, but the gag is I don't. So we move. These baby hairs are really nice on this frontal. It was super easy to pluck, by the way. I enjoyed working with this hair a lot. Like, everything was so easy. Everything was not too time consuming. It took time, but it didn't take as much time as I anticipated. Cause like when this frontal came, it was a bit pre-plucked, but it wasn't like super duper pre-plucked, and I had to do a bit of plucking. So like I said, the amount of time that I thought it was gonna take to pluck, that was just not the case, and we just love that for her. We love a non-problematic wig, and this is what this is giving. So The lace may look a bit lighter than my skin tone, and we'll fix that. Oh, and before you go in on me asking, oh, is your blow dryer on hot or cold? It's on cold, because I see a lot of people, sometimes when they do tutorials, they don't really tell you it was on cold. It was not on warm. It was not on hot. It was on cold. So just in case you wanted to know, like, what exactly am I supposed to do? Because whenever you tie up your frontals, and like, say for instance you tie it up with the elastic band, you can sometimes put it on warm so the glue sets in if it's glue that you have on. But for anything glueless, cold dries everything down easy, especially hair spiking gel, which is technically what got to be glue gel is. It's hair spiking gel. So anything hairspray, hair gel, dry it down with something cool and it will stay down. It will stay dry and it'll stake. Right now, I'm gonna just go in with my water in places and conditioner. The conditioner that I have in here is Aussie Moist coconut curl conditioner. So I'm gonna just use this to go through the hair a bit and just detangle and define any part of the hair that I think I need to do, because like I said, it was already detangled and defined. So pretty much just the front portion of the hair that I've are like messed up in a sense, because once you detangle it, you know, it's gonna stay how it is. But once you like go in and try to like comb it, which I have done because I plucked out pieces in the front part, then it does get a bit fuzzy. So the back and everything has already been detangled. It's just the front that I need to focus on. So like I'm doing right now, just going through with my spray bottle with my conditioner and water, going through and making sure that everything just looks up to par. And so far so good. Like I said before, I love this unit. Like, it's really easy and simple, easy to work with, and very low maintenance. Because once you get these curls together, you could go to sleep and have a bed head and wake up and they're like super duper pretty. Or you could wet them down in the shower. You don't have to worry about wearing a shower cap, maybe a scarf, just so you can keep the frontal portion in place. But that's pretty much all that you would need. This hair is super low maintenance to me. I feel like kinky curly hair is good for anything that is made for on the go. Like, if you have something coming up and you just can't really focus on your hair that much, this will work, because it only takes a couple minutes to run through this hair and then you're out the door, versus 25-30 minutes trying to straighten your hair. And so far, this is all the shed hair that I've got from just detangling with my fingers. So I think this is very good, because when compared to curly hair, kinky curly hair sheds a lot worse than curly hair does, and we are not experiencing that. So that just goes to show that this is a really good wig altogether. Like, do y'all see this? This is so cute. I'm really appreciating how easy it is to get through these curls. Like, loved it. So honestly, I give this hair a 10 out of 10, because it's nothing that this hair didn't pass. It did not tangle. It's not matting in the back. It's up to par with everything I expected. I expected good things from this wig, because Reshine usually has good quality stuff. I love their units, and this is just gonna be another one of my faves. So thank you so much, Reshine, for sending this gorgeous unit. It was perfect, and if you guys would like to purchase, the links in the description box will be there to do so. So without further ado, I'll see you all in my next one.